If you travel overseas, and especially if you travel overseas infrequently, one of the areas you can really get hurt to the tune of hundreds or thousands of dollars in additional cost is just use your US-based cell phone overseas. Now, there's two exceptions to it. T-Mobile and Sprint both include with their plans the use of their phones outside the United States. In most countries in the world, you pay nothing for texting, you pay nothing for unlimited data, and then you pay 20 cents a minute for calling. But if you travel overseas frequently, there's a service you need to know about, Project Fi. It's Google's little-known cell phone service. Google allows you with Project Fi to use your service around the world at the same exact cost as using it in the United States. You have high-speed data in the United States, you have high-speed data overseas. You have the free calling, you have the free texting, the whole bit with the Project Fi. Now, calling country to country, you're still going to pay 20 cents a minute with it. But most people avoid that with these cell phone services by using a calling app. There are several available like WhatsApp or Viber, or two examples where you can make calls for free. Now, there's another one called Line that allows you to make 5 free calls a day to the United States. You watch a video ad for about 20 seconds, and then you're allowed to do a 5-minute call to the United States. So you can even call somebody back in the U.S. who doesn't have the Line service, so you can call just a regular line. It's somebody, well, isn't that funny? You can call a regular line online, but that's the beauty of it. If you are on AT&T or Verizon, oh, it's rotten terrible when you use either overseas. They either charge you massive costs if you don't sign up for an international plan, or they charge you huge additional fees to have an international plan overseas. If you are traveling overseas a lot, you should really think about switching your cell phone service to T-Mobile, Sprint, or to Project Fi so you get a good deal overseas. But if you don't want to leave AT&T or Verizon, the best thing is when you get overseas, buy a local SIM card for local service. That'll cost you very little money, usually for one that'll get you more than enough data for a month. For about $15 to $20 will get it done for that month.